was so impressed with Miss Henderson's presentation. I have a daycare myself, and I always want to make a difference in the children. And so when she got up there and presented herself and what she offered, what her program offered, I was very impressed. I was intrigued. It held my attention, and I love that because that's the difference I want to make in my children at my daycare.
Ms. LJ did a great job. I am now wide open to learning more about STEM and being able to collaborate and incorporate it into my classroom. So I thank you so much for this presentation. Very lively, exciting, and we had a great day today.
My experience today with Ms. Henderson was a pleasurable and one of learning. When thinking about STEM, I always think about them being very complex concepts and more so for just older children versus preschoolers or toddlers. Ms. Henderson was able to show us how we could scaffold and make the concepts simple and easy for preschoolers and toddlers while helping them to learn complex concepts.
This whole thing reminded me of is that sometimes we look at these concepts and we're like, they can't learn that. They're only 3, they're only 4, that word's too big, and we're like dumbing down things. And then in your videos and walking in your classroom, and they do know those words and words that you wouldn't think that they'd be able to, but because we're not exposing them the way that you're saying. So I appreciate you sharing that.
Sometimes we get a little scared of doing STEM activities because we don't know exactly how to execute them. But this teaches us like, okay, we can break it down, make it easy for the kids and easy for us to also learn.
You can really make STEM fun. I would definitely recommend LJ Henderson to everyone. Everyone in child care needs her in their facilities.